So translate.com, this is like my page. And I began building Translate Sheet, especially for Google Sheets, hence the name. And now it's more than Sheets, but the domain was open. And yeah, that was my beginning. And for Google Workspace or Google Sheet especially, there's a lot of tools out there, but I never was very happy how they worked, because either it was like a live formula and whenever you refreshed the doc, everything was loaded again, or it was not like working with glossaries out of the box, for example, with DeepL or instruction and stuff, or they couldn't handle like 10 megabytes of a Google Sheet. So I just built it myself. So maybe just very, very simple. You can select a cell, and thanks to the available APIs from Google Workspace, and whatever is selected here, the Translate Sheet add-on is knowing what is selected. So the simplest thing you could do is just like translate something without a glossary or whatsoever, and then it's pasting the translation back in the cell. But of course, you can also select like columns or whole sheets. But also you can create glossaries directly based on the Google Sheet. So if you have, for example, here English term and then here a Danish term, you can create a glossary. I just skip it for now and select the values, and then the glossary is automatically created on it. So my goal was always to have plugins and add-ons for the tools where the people are actually building and or like working, and they shouldn't leave the workflow, because I myself back then was working always and I have like no ambition to have it complicated. So I'm very lazy by nature. And this was like my approach on how to think plugins. This is also working with Google Docs and Google Slides, etc. For Google Docs, it's a little bit different because there you can have also the style preservation active. So if you have like different formats for like headline format or body text format, it's preserved, but then translated and pasted back in.
Hey there! If you've built something with the DeepL API, we should talk. We're giving the community a stage to showcase what they've built, SDKs, integrations, full apps, whatever it is, as long as it's using the DeepL API, we want to hear about it. See it, we want to talk about it. If that's you, please come show us in deepl-bridges, go to the MadeWithDeepL section and post about what you've built. Until then, please subscribe and like.